Fisher Paykel 32-inch RF170WDRUX5 17.1 cubic feet capacity bottom freezer. Are you looking for a bottom freezer that also has a water dispenser? Grab this model by Fisher Paykel. It offers loads of convenient features to cooking enthusiasts, making it a valuable asset for your kitchen. You'll find very high-end appliances as good as this one, especially when it comes to offering the best of both worlds. Its water dispenser is as good as its bottom freezer. You can use the water to prepare your daily meals and use the freezer to store all of your perishable goods. Plus, the modern features of this model by Fisher Paykel are a class above the rest. All you have to do is push buttons to get chilled water or control the temperature of the device. There is also an automatic ice maker inside the freezer, and unsurprisingly, it works superbly. Pros: stainless steel exterior, visually appealing, does not require frequent maintenance, comes with a built-in water dispenser, user-friendly features. Cons: accessing the automatic ice maker as it is inside the freezer. Coming